Hi guys, if you have curly or wavy hair, you know how important it is to find the right styling tool. Today we're using the Detangle and Style Brush to style our curly hair. I'm gonna teach you how to use the Detangle and Style Brush for dry hair. Here we have an added attachment that has two separate rows. You can use this attachment to make your brush stiff. Simply insert the attachment into the given holes on the brush to widen it and make it stiff. Use this particularly and only for dry hair. Start by brushing your ends and go all the way up so that you do not lose any hair and your detangling process is simpler. When using this for wet hair, remove the attachment, and I'm going to show you how we could do that. To use this on wet hair after deep conditioning and styling, first make sure your hair is wet properly. Then section your hair into smaller sections and start detangling from the bottom of each section, working your way up to the roots. As you're detangling, make sure you hold your hair at the roots with your other hand to prevent any pulling or tugging. You can use the brush to distribute any styling products evenly and form beautiful curl clumps. Once you've done that, gently scrunch your hair to watch those beautiful curls unleash. Repeat this process for all the sections of your hair and you'll have gorgeous defined curls in no time.